The city of Malolos was also submerged in flood waters, and not even the provincial capital was spared, as we hear again from Freddy Abando.
A 2-kilometer stretch of the MacArthur National Highway leading to Malolos City was turned into a waterway as floods spawned by heavy rains of Typhoon Marine and the high tide led to the onrush of waves from Manila Bay. The capital, too, was not spared. Almost all of the provincial government offices, to include the Office of the Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council, suffered a blow. Only the convention center at Jim was not affected, where volunteers were waiting to pack relief goods for 10 of the 23 towns and cities submerged by flood waters.
Hindi naman po siya ganun kagrabe, but meron din kaming mga evacuees na in-evacuate ng mga rescue teams namin last night. Kasi iba-iba yung nature ng hazard na dumarating sa Bulacan, at ang naranasan niya during sa kay Habagat, meron kaming flash floods, meron kaming high tide, meron relatively flat or yung areas, panding yung tawag doon.
Bulacan Governor Wilfredo Alvarado C. said the release of waters from the Bustos and Ipo dams also caused the flooding. But the volume was less compared to what was unleashed in 2009 and last year. Alvarado said the people of Bulacan were given sufficient time to be evacuated and moved to safer grounds.
Ang hinihintay lang natin ay yung huwag nang uulan pa ng malakas pagkatapos ay nakasarado na itong Bustos natin at saka Ipo Dam, very minimal ang pinatatako nila at itong high tide natin mamaya ay kakapito. So hopefully mahigop ito ng Manila Bay.
Alvarado said the President is committed to the implementation of a flood control program to ease its sufferings when typhoons and heavy rains strike. He said the national government has been committed at all times to support their call for help.
Nagkaroon ng pondo yung Kamanaba, pero naging Kamana lang, nawala yung Valenzuela.
Pero ngayon,
Valenzuela, Obando at May Kawayan. Pero still, ma-open pa rin yung Bulacan, yung Malolos, yung Paumbong at Tagunog. Ang dapat dito,
it starts on there.
yes, pero ang ating pinopropose dito, para 2 birds in 1 stone, flood control, at the same time, make it a coastal road.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.